All right, we're going to get into a good till canceled by stop order. So stop order and limit order a little bit different. The limit order won't actually execute if the price is above, even after hitting the correct dollar amount. Whereas a stop, if it hits the stop price, it will execute at whatever the available price is right after that. So there could be changes. So the limit is more focused on price, whereas the stop is more focused on timing. So let's come over to the API documentation here. We'll go to API reference. Alpaca Markets sets this up real nice, where you essentially just put in the parameters and it's going to create this request for you in Python. So if you don't have your key and secret key filled in, you're going to have to regenerate it. So you can come on your dashboard here and click regenerate and copy the key. We'll put that new key in there and get the secret key, and we'll put that in the secret spot here. And then we are going to do this for MasterCard. It's ticker symbol MA, trading right now at 506.61. So let's do just 2 shares of this, and we're going to do a buy, and this is going to be a stop order, like I said, and it's going to be a good till canceled. So the good till canceled is just that the order is good until it is canceled. If you leave it as a day order, if it doesn't execute that day, then it's going to cancel it. So if you want this to continue until it places, essentially, then use a good till cancel order. So the last thing we need to do is enter in a stop price. So if we chose, like I said, right now it is currently trading at 506.37. So if we want it to execute once it hits 507, then we can go ahead and do that. I'm going to copy this, head over to a Jupyter notebook and paste the requests in. I always like to import JSON so that I can change this to json.loads. It prints it out nicer rather than the print just gives it to you in paragraph form, long text. It's harder to decipher. So this is our MasterCard, 2 shares, buy to open. It's a stop order type. The stop price is at 507. So we can come over to see that order, and we have a current order open for MasterCard. Stop by at, it'll be at 507. So if MasterCard's price comes up to 507, then that order will execute. It could bounce a little bit. It may come down to 506.98 is what we place it at. It could be 507.02, whatever it is. But that is how you would do a good till canceled by stop order on the Alpaca Markets API.